Hello guys, how are you all? So today, in this video, I will tell you about a secret AI tool through which you can generate unlimited AI videos, and not only type text, but you can also convert your own image into video. That too, for free, and in very high quality. You have many questions in mind. So what is that AI? How to use it? How to generate unlimited? Let me explain everything in detail. First, you need to open the Play Store. After opening the Play Store, go to the search bar and type Grok AI. You will find this icon app. Install the Grok AI app with this icon. After installation, open Grok AI. Once opened, after opening, you need to create an account. You will get different options, such as continue with Google, continue with Xmail, or continue with Mail. After creating the account, you will find the video creation option, where you can generate unlimited image to video and text to video for free. Here, you need to click on Imagine. After clicking, this tab will open, where you will see Grok AI's own generated images and videos that you can download for video. For example, if you click on the video icon of an image, that image will be converted into a video. After clicking, wait a little, and now see how the image converts into a video. If you want, you can also give your own prompt. Click on Redo, and from Customize, you can change the prompt. Before generating the image, please like the video. If you like the video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon, and also share it with your friends. You can also generate text to video as you like. Click on this icon and give your desired prompt. For example, I write, a cub of lion is playing with a butterfly in the jungle. Along with the prompt, it will generate images. Now see, from one prompt, it has created so many images. Out of them, select the one you like and convert it into a video. I liked this one, so I will convert it into a video using the video icon. Now see how the lion cub is playing with the butterfly.